I am going to discuss about local variables and global variables in Python. What is local variable and what is global variable? First, I would like to discuss about what is local variable. What is local variable? How to declare local variables in Python? What is local variables? These local and global variables are mainly used only in functions. The local and global variables are mainly used in functions only. The local and global variables are mainly used in only functions, are declared, are used in, or the local and global variables are declared and used mainly in functions. Okay, clear? Now, first of all, what is local variable? What is local variable? The variable which are declared, the variable which are declared inside a function, inside the current function, variable which are declared inside the current function. These variables are called local variables. Okay, guys, are clear? These variables are called global variable. And one more important point: these variables can be accessed inside the function only. Inside the function only. That is very important. Inside the function only. Outside cannot be accessible. The local variables are accessible only inside the function. Let us go to one example. The example in Python. The functions are declared by using the def keyword. That is a one function. Fun1 is a one function. Fun1 is a fun1 is a. For example, x equal to some 10 value and the print of x value, which is a variable. And here def fun2 is another variable. Fun2 is another variable, and the y value equal to, for example, we assume that y value equal to 20 and the print of 5. And declaring another variable. The variable is a def fun3, another function def function3. Z equal to value 30 and the print of z value. And here indirectly, this is the body of the function. The declaration def fun1 is the declaration definition, and this is the body of the function. Clear? And this is the fun2 declaration and the body of the function, and the fun3 declaration and the body of the function. Now the x is a variable. This variable is declared as integer type and store the value 10 and print it. Now y is a variable which is declared as integer type, store the value 20 and print it. Z is a variable and declare the value integer type and store the value 30. Now here x, y, z are called as the local variables because these variables are declared only inside the current function. X is declared only inside the fun1. Y is declared only inside the fun2, and z is a variable is declared inside the fun3 one. Now to call the functions of fun1, call the function, and fun2 call the function, and fun3 call the functions, and the output is here. The output is only for 10, 20, 30. The output is 10, 20, 30. To declaring the variables, so these are the variables. X, Y, Z are the variables, and run the current module, and here run the current module, and after declaration, after calling, the output is equal to 10, 20, 30 because first immediately f1 function 1 is executed. Now here what happens are indirectly. This function is executed. Whenever this function is calling, the control immediately is transferred to the current function. Immediately transfer the fun1. Immediately the x is the object. This object is pointing to 10 variable value, 10 value, clear. And this first statement is clear. And the second statement, print the output. The output is 10. Okay, clear. And after executing of these two statements, the control immediately transfer to the fun3, and the control immediately transfer to fun2, and again the fun2. Here this variable is destroyed, completely destroyed from the memory. Whenever you are entered into the fun2, y is the object. This variable is automatically creating the memory allocation, assign the 20, clear. And the next one, print of 5. Now the output equal to 20. Clear. And after exit from the main program to subprogram to main program, here the main program is calling the fun3, calling the fun3. Immediately this, after exit from the fun2, this variable is destroyed and fun3 is calling. Now immediately fun3 function is executed. Immediately z is a variable to allocate the memory 30, to assign the value 30. And the second statement, print object, that is created. And after executing all the statement, the control is transferred fun3 program, fun3 function to main program. And whenever you are exit from fun3 to main program, immediately this local variable is destroyed. Because z is a local variable, this variable is created within the function and destroyed after exit from the function to main program. Okay, clear guys, up to here? These variables are called local variables. These variables can be accessed only F1, F2, F3. Okay, is it clear guys? The output is 10, 20 and 30. For example, if you want to try to access these variables in main program, print of X and print of Y, print of Y. If you want to try to, for example, only trying. So now run the module. The output is what happens. Here the output is 10, 20. First time calling, 10 printed. Second time fun2 calling, 20 printed. Fun3 calling, 30 printed. Print of X. That means in main program, X is not defined. In main program, X is not defined because X is a local variable, but X is not a global variable. This variable is declared in only inside the function, inside the current function F1. It cannot be accessed outside the program, outside the function. Clear guys? This is called as a local variable. But now what is global variable? What is global variable? Global variable. Now one, this first one, the variables which are declared top level of the program or top level of the program or script or module, top level of the module or outside of all functions, or outside of main program, the variables which are declared, but not within the function, variables which are declared top level of the program or scripting or module or outside of all functions or outside of the main program. The variables must be declared. Outside, not inside. For example. Okay, now we are clear up to here, all of you. Now these statements are enclosed in the comment section because we are running a module. Now, for example, assume that DEF, example. So now here X is a local variable, Y is a local variable. Now we want to create a global variable. What is global variable? Where it is declared, the variable is declared top level of the program. That means here, or script, or module, or outside of all the functions. That means outside of all the functions, or outside of the main program. That means indirectly the global variables are declared outside of the main program only. These variables are called global variables because these variables declared outside of the program. The scope of the global variables are the entire program, Now we are declaring two functions. One function is fun1, declaring a variable X. One function is fun2, declaring a variable Y. Here immediately enter into the function some simple example. X, okay, I am fun1. Yeah, one output statement. Here enter into the function, immediately print one message. Message is I am fun2. Okay, declaring a message. Clear. So this is a variable. Here in this example, X local variable of fun1, Y is a local variable of fun2. Okay, guys, up to here clear. Now we are declaring two variables. One variable is M value is 88. Another variable M is a 99. N is a 99 because M and N variables are declared outside of fun1 and outside of fun2 and outside of main program. So these variables are called global variables. What is global variable? The variables which are declared top level of the program. Now here M and N are declared top level of the program, or outside of the main program, or outside of all the functions. So now here M and N are declared all the functions outside only. M and N declared outside of all the functions. Now these variables can be accessed in the entire program. Now run print of M value and print of N. Now means you simply print it or calculate any values, and here print of M value, and these variables can be accessed inside the fun2 also. These variables can be accessed inside the fun1 also. These variables can be accessed inside the fun2 also. And these variables can be accessed outside the functions also. That means main program also. Print of M and print of N and N and call the fun1 calling and fun2 calling. Here this is a main program. This is a main program. Okay, here on small message. Here on small message, print of main program. This is the main program. Now here, in this example, first execute this statement. First, what happens in this statement? In this program, first declaring M is a global variable. It assigns the value is 88. Clear. And N is a global variable. It assigns the value is 99. Okay, clear. Next one, fun2. Okay, clear. And fun2 also clear. Next one. Now immediately execute the main program. In the main program, the output is I am main program. Okay, the output is I am main program. Clear. I am main program. Print of M 88 and print of N 99. Okay, clear. These two statements are executed. And the next immediately fun2 function is calling. Immediately the control is transferred. The control is transferred main program to fun1. The control is transferred main program to fun1. This is the fun1. This is the fun1. Immediately I am fun1. The output statement is I am fun1. And X is a variable which allocate the memory 10. Okay, clear. The output is 10. And print of N M 88. Print of N 99. Clear. And immediately the control, after executing all these statements, the control is transferred to the main program. The control is transferred to the main program. Here the main program is, the control is transferred to the main program and up to here. Okay, clear. Next one. After exit from the function 1 to main program, this variable is destroyed because X is a global variable. These variables not destroyed because these variables are global variables. Now clear. Immediately fun2 is executed. Fun2 is calling. Immediately after execution of the fun2 statement, the control immediately transfer here to fun2. Immediately the output is I am fun2. The output is I am fun2. Y is a variable to allocate the memory is by value 20. Now print of Y. Output is 20. Print of M 88. Print of N 99. After executing all these statements, the control is transferred to main program. Whenever the control is transferred to main program, all the local variables are destroyed. These variables are destroyed completely. Okay, clear guys up to here? Next one. Next, after executing, this is the end of the program. Now run this module. This is the output. I am main program. Output 88, 99. I am fun1. Print of X10. Print of M88. Print of N99. I am fun2. Okay, print of Y20, print of M88, print of N99. Because here M is a global variable accessed main program. M is a global variable accessed within the fun1. M is a global variable. N is a global variable. These two are accessed fun1, fun2, and main program. But X and Y are local variable. These can be accessed only within the functions only. Clear? In this example, here, x is a local variable of fun1 function. Y is a local variable of fun2. But m and n are global variables. These two variables are declared. M and n are global variables. These two variables are declared outside of main program, outside of functions, top level of the program, top level of the script, top level of the module. Okay, guys, up to here, clear all of you?